I'm Zisha. Welcome back to my channel. मैं सिनेमा के वीडियोस बनाती हूँ and usually reviews are reserved for Friday क्योंकि that's when films release. But इस बार films have released earlier, so that's why I'm here. So I woke up super early. I woke up at 6 a.m. this morning to watch पवन कल्याण की पहली pan India film. Although I don't know why or what this means क्योंकि pan India के नाम पर हिंदी रिलीज तो हुई नहीं है. एक ही थिएटर में था और वो भी बहुत दूर. साथ साथ फिल्म में सबटाइटल्स भी नहीं थे, तो काहे का पैन इंडिया. Anyway, this Telugu film Harihara Veeramallu is directed by Krish Jagarlamudi and A.M. Jyoti Krishna. There were shows last night, which is a Wednesday night, पर टिकट्स के दाम 500 रुपए से 800 रुपए के थे. तो आई वाज लाइक ये तो नहीं हो पाएगा हमसे, तो इसीलिए आई वेंट दिस मॉर्निंग दैट अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग. ऑल्सो माई लॉजिकल थिंकिंग इज कि अगर आप 500, 800, 900 रुपए की टिकट्स रखोगे तो आपका पहले दिन का कलेक्शन इज गोइंग टू बी अ लॉट. मतलब लॉजिकल है ना. एनीवे, लेट्स गेट ऑन टू द फिल्म. द फिल्म इज अबाउट हरिहरा वीरामल्लू, इन केस यू डिडंट अंडरस्टैंड, जो कि एक दोंगा है. दोंगा इन तेलुगु इज अ थीफ प्लेड बाय पवन कल्याण, who is hired to bring back the कोहिनूर डायमंड from the मुगल्स. मोटा मोटी ये कहानी है, ठीक है. फिल्म शुरू होती है with a disclaimer कि this is a fictional character. But you see, a fictional character is still extremely useful to perpetrate tropes in our society, such as good and bad Muslims, such as we want to erase Mughals from the history textbooks, but we will use them in our films as villains. क्योंकि और कौन बोलेगा काफिर 1000 बार, कौन उकसाएगा हीरो और ऑडियंस को, है ना. एनीवे, वी सी बॉबी देओल entering the film first, way before the hero. He is Aurangzeb and he is shown murdering his own brother Dara Shikoh. History जानते हो तो ये पता ही होगा आपको. Parallelly we see कि कैसे एक temple priest और उनकी community rescues this child and adopts him and names him Harihara Veeramallu. This is the story about how the two of them go about their journeys and eventually end up face to face because of a challenge later on in life. Now let's talk about what works in this film. अगर आप पवन कल्याण के फैन हो तो यू विल लव दिस फिल्म ऑब्वियसली, क्योंकि इट इज़ मेड फॉर फैन सर्विस. काफ़ी सारे स्लो मोशन स्मोल्डरिंग लुक्स व्हेन ही इज लुकिंग डायरेक्टली इनटू द कैमरा, लॉट्स ऑफ आई कॉन्टैक्ट, लॉट्स ऑफ फाइट्स, अ लॉट ऑफ देम इलॉजिकल. जैसे एक आदमी है अपना हीरो हु गोज अगेंस्ट ऑल ऑफ दीज पहलवान्स, वन सिंगल पर्सन वर्सेस ऑल ऑफ दीज पहलवान्स. बट हीरो है तो आप मान भी लेते हो, एंड ही इज़ द मेसाया टू ऑल. He is obviously the hero, he's the savior, he's saving everybody all the time. There's also a really good interval block, a sort of a twist that at least I didn't see coming. But here's the thing, उस twist का point क्या था, वो twist हुआ कैसे, उसके बाद का क्या consequence? That is flimsy. Who cares for all of that in our story? Also, the side characters are good. They're really trying and are earnest, and they also keep adding to the comedy element in the film. हर बार शायद कॉमेडी लैंड ना हो, बट सर्टेन जगह पर होती है क्वाइट इफेक्टिवली. एक्टर्स लाइक सुनील, सत्यराज, मुरली शर्मा, we see them in practically every Telugu film and they are here as well. In one scene, they show you Bobby Deol, who is this fearsome, cruel Aurangzeb, the villain, and he's doing crochet. That was quite a nice touch to add. And M.M. Keeravani ka score. Those are the things that work in the film. Now let's talk about what doesn't work in the film. The fact that there were no subtitles. 2025 में हम ऐसी चीज़ें क्यों कर रहे हैं? ऑल्सो आवर हीरो कौन है, कहाँ से आया है, क्या स्ट्रगल है उसकी, वाई डिड ही बिकम दिस वे, वॉट ड्राइव्स हिम, हाउ एम आई सपोज टू रिलेट टू हिम एंड स्टैंड हिम. इन द रीसेंट सुपरमैन मूवी हमें दिखाया गया था कि सुपरमैन इज ह्यूमनाइज्ड, ही इज शोन टू बी वल्नरेबल, इवन वीक. पर यहाँ पर ऐसे कुछ भी नहीं है. हीरो इज हाफ बेक्ड. द विलन औरंगजेब इज ऑल्सो हाफ बेक्ड. For long periods in the film, he disappears conveniently. It's almost like Bobby Deol का extended cameo है इस film में. The narrative also doesn't have a flow. जैसे scenes happen one after the other, after the other, after the other. ऐसे कोई common thread, a timeline, a flow that is smooth, वो बिल्कुल नहीं है storytelling में. How did he become such a skilled fighter? वो हमें बहुत बाद में को देखने को मिलता है, almost a little before the climax. वो एक चोर क्यों है? We aren't told too much. He just appears and he starts saving everybody who needs saving, which is everybody. The action scenes for most part are fairly lame. For me, I felt like thoda sa it picked up towards the second half of the film. The romance track is also super flimsy. There's Nidhi Agarwal who plays the female lead. You will remember her from Munna Michael. Tiger Shroff के साथ वो एक डांस फिल्म थी. Anyway, एक सीन है जहाँ पे she goes and she hugs him and then she asks him to help her and save her and take her out of there, but she doesn't even know his name. They take the whole first half to get to the point, which is the mission that he is hired for, to bring back the Kohinoor. Very, very questionable visual effects, matlab the graphics and VFX, and it kept getting worse. Okay, so after the interval, it is worse. It is like a badly made video game in some parts. और ये फिल्म ना आसानी से 1 घंटे कम होती है इसकी ड्यूरेशन अगर एडिटर ने अपना काम किया होता, बट द फिल्म इज मेड फॉर फैन सर्विस. तो अगर ये फिल्म 1 घंटे और चलती तो फैंस को तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं होती. There was also an attempt made to make a climax, but it doesn't land at all. क्योंकि conflict resolve होता है एक climax में. अगर आप conflict resolve ही नहीं करोगे क्योंकि part 2 आ रहा है तो कहाँ का climax? It does not exist. Anyway, there is a part 2 coming, obviously, because this film is called Harihara Veeramallu Part 1. It just seems so unnecessary to drag things out like that. Matlab, all of this you've sat for 2.5 hours for what? Also, there's one scene in the jungle that I really loved, and I also found it super, super funny. It involves a wolf. So all in all, is this film watchable? Yes. Is it brilliant? That is questionable. I don't think so. But I make some really brilliant videos here on different cinema topics. So do like, share, comment and subscribe. काफ़ी सारी फिल्में रिलीज हो रही है इस वीकेंड. There's a Kannada film I'm watching later this evening. तो सब कुछ मिलेगा आपको इसी चैनल पर. You know what you need to do. Take care of yourself. Bye.